Okay, so this is the back here, and they don't give you any instructions with this, but I do see that we're using these two right here and here, and then there's another one under here that's a clip. So I'm going to remove those, and we will see what we can see. This is a Torx driver, and okay, so you get those out. Now we got to get that guy out of there. Him, I think. Let's see what's. Or is it over further from that? Oh no, we're drilling a new hole. Okay. Alrighty, here's the front one. Check this out, Billy. This is going to be an even bigger challenge because this tab right here, I got to move the running board. So I'm not happy about this at all. Okay, so I got it up in there. You can see there's one screw in the, oh, three screws the front side, I guess, maybe four. And then, oops, back here, that goes like that. So let's get cracking. I think I'm going to turn the wheel, so that should help us a lot to get in there. I wonder how long that screw's been in there, you know. Put the truck together a few months ago at the factory. So I guess it's been in there for 2 months. Not very long. Okay, so we got that one out. And then we got to take this little cap out underneath there. There's a cap right there. I don't know if you can see that. I'll maybe get you in under. Can you see that? Let's see. Can you see the cap right there? So we'll get that out next. Let's mark this thing. Okay. Let's take it back up. They give you these clips, but these things aren't going to reach. Like, that's not gonna reach. See that? Doesn't, it's like it's gotta go to there. Not, you know. And then this thing here, that's the steel fender, man. I don't know what to think of that. We're gonna do something different here. So this, you know, this guy here is made to work with a clip this size, right? The hole is the right size and everything. But this clip is made to grab, you know, for one sheet, one piece, and that'll go through there. But this other clip that they give you is huge. Let's think. Like, really? How's that supposed to work? I don't think it's gonna go in here either. I don't think it'll go into this hole. Maybe, I'll try it. No. That's not going in there. So, none of that's gonna work. So I don't know why they give you these frickin' parts that aren't gonna work. GMC, come on, man. You can't reach the backside here. No way to reach up in there, so I think we're gonna have to put the rivet on there. I don't know what else to do. Because this clip is not long enough. This one's long enough. It's the wrong size. I guess I could drill it out for this clip. Think about this here. Let's just think about it for a minute here. I wonder what size hole that takes. Little Christmas tree thing. I like this clip better than the idea of riveting. Okay, let's try it. 5/16. All right, and drill out this up under here. Poke that clippy doodle in there, and hopefully that'll hold her. Oh, we're screwed if it doesn't work now. Yeah, that's gonna work. All right, we gotta screw this in from this side first, and I'll do that. So this time I'm getting smart about it. We're just gonna get it started here. It's perfect. Yay. Check it out. That ain't going anywhere. It worked out good. Okay, so now we can just put in the rest of the holes, which are on this side. That's not going anywhere. Nowhere. All right. Let's put the running boards back on. Who'd ever have thought that you gotta remove the dang running boards for this? But that's the deal. that's it. I think we're golden. So if you look here, see how the running board is like, it's right up against that thing there. So, but looks good, doesn't it? Whew. I'll go do the other side. Check it out here. Looks good, doesn't it? I do like these running boards a lot. So that mud flap sticks out quite a ways. As you can see from the back, it's like right on the edge of the tire. Here's a view of it from this side. I think it looks good. These are nice mud flaps. Look at, so this line here comes down and picks up again there, you know. So I think I'm glad I bought the GMC ones. They are nice. Okay, instead of making you live through this whole thing again the second time, there it is, installed. I pulled the running boards out and down a little bit to make it a little more comfortable to get in, you know. Let's check it out. I'll put it out in the light here. Looks good, doesn't it? Look at that thing. There's that front one. Looking good. And then there's the back one. And there's the whole thing for you. I think it looks great with these mud flaps on, and these running boards are awesome. So I think we kind of did the right thing with the whole deal. Here's the other side. So hey, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'll probably be working on the van again next time. Thanks for watching.